Today I'm going to do a quick video of hooking up my truck. I was going to show you guys around my fifth wheel, but unfortunately I ran out of time. But you know what? At least you guys get to see how you can hook up a Reese Goosebox. I mean, I know there's already videos online, but you get to see me do it. Stay tuned. I'm using a BMW drop-in ball, and again, I had the Reese Goosebox that I use it for. It's very easy to hook this thing up here, and I wanted to show you guys just how easy it is. So let's get started. So the fifth wheel that we're using today, this is my fifth wheel as I mentioned. This is a 2019 Keystone Cougar 368 MBI. I'll do a walk around with the fifth wheel probably in the future. I just don't have time today. I was going to do it, but I had to do a little bit of maintenance work on this thing today. So right in here, this is your basement storage area. You're going to have this 4-point auto leveling system. So all I got to do is basically go in here and lift up the rear jacks. And all you have to do, auto retract rear, hit enter, and you'll hear a weird noise coming from the back. And then what I'm going to do now, I'll wait till those are done. I'm going to put my rear slides in. So I'm going to show you guys something a little cool. So one thing that's really cool about the Keystone Cougars is that they do have the in-command system. So if you hit this button right there, I'm going to show you guys a few things. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm not going to show you my code. So although it really doesn't matter, I can show it to you. I could care less. So let's do this first. Let's close this awning. So this is going to be your front awning. I'm going to push in, and as you can see, I'm still holding the button there too. As you can see, that bad boy is going in. So basically I'm going to do the same thing for the slides. I have the kitchen slides out. I have to make sure that there's nothing blocking them though. My kids are here, so they might have dropped a toy or something. Let's go find out what's what they left for me to pick up for them. Alright, so let's go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go inside. Let me show you this too. So if we need to put all the lights on inside the interior, you hit lights and voila. I don't see any toys, so I think we're good to go. One thing I will point out, Keystone, if you're looking at this, you put these really nice handles on your cabinets here. Thank you so much. However, they damage these doors because you have to keep this open so you don't develop mold in here. And of course, when you leave this open, when the slide goes in, it hits these handles there. Just keep that in mind. Alright, so now that we've checked, make sure there's no toys below the slide, let's go ahead and use this system to close the slide outs. So we're going to go to slide right there. And the slide on the entry door side is going to be the sofa and dinette slide. So we're going to push in. And as you can see, slowly but surely it's coming in. I need to start cleaning off the top of my slides. One recommendation I will give you, if you are thinking about it, add slide toppers to the top of your fifth wheel. They're very expensive, but they're definitely worth the investment. So as you saw, by using the button there on this app, it pushed my slide in. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing for the kitchen slide. So we're going to hit in. And that's it. Let's go back to the leveling system. Normally when you hit left and right, it'll lift the front to where you left your hitch height. Let's try it and see if it'll work today. Alright, there it goes. So that's where I left it off. So let's go ahead and hook it up to the truck. I gotta go get my GoPro so you guys can see it on the truck, and I'm gonna put this camera on the side of the truck so you can see me backing up, okay? I will show you how easy it is to hook up, to the ball. it sits really low, so I can't see it from within the truck. So I have a camera up top that I've shown you in some of my videos that come in handy. All right. If you watch my videos, you know that I had those LEDs and I have a camera right up there. So let's see how it works. So the only thing left to do now is just to add air. So I'm gonna set up the camera to show you guys how to do it. And so all I'm gonna do now is just add the air to the Reese Goosebox. It's gonna be a little loud. And that's it. I'll show you where it's at. And when the money. So what I do is unhook this. Put your cap back on. And you are pretty much all set there. These are really good, by the way. So now all I'm gonna do now is just check, make sure I'm not forgetting anything before I pull off. I'm sure I forgot something though. I always do. Oh, look at there. Forgot to unplug my electric. Make sure the awnings are all the way in. Make sure your door is locked. That's locked. It's probably a good idea to lock these two and just make sure you push on them. At this point, as you can see, everything's pretty much locked up. It kind of looks like it's squatting a little bit, but once I pull off, it normally levels back out again. So let's go ahead and unplug. And then we're going to take some shots driving, okay? Just make sure anything that is on the ground you buy a bag for, or if it comes with one, make sure you keep it. Because what I will tell you, when it's raining and muddy, these things do come in handy to keep your fifth wheel clean.